Sonata Limited, doing the rear brake pads. Remove the cover off the reservoir. Keep an eye on the fluid. 21 millimeters takes off your lug nuts, the tire. Put your car in there, get your jack stand. With this vehicle, you could just remove the bottom 14. So that one there. That one, it's a 14 millimeter. They're both 14s. But if you just take out the bottom, I'll show you. I just got me a deep well socket, because the brake line's gonna kind of be in the way. See, a deep well, get in there, just like that. Break it loose. And now take it all the way off. If you've got a battery ratchet, you can use it now, but I'm just gonna turn it by hand. Get it all the way out. And now this is the reason why I say you only have to remove the bottom. This caliper will just flip up. Take those springs out of the old brake pads, remove your brake pad. And I'll show you how to compress your piston. So let's get the old brake pads out now. So with these clips, let's see if I can show you while holding this caliper. Just basically want to get something underneath it, and that's it. Same thing for the top one. And you want to put them back in just like that, same way they come out. Alright, so now to compress my piston, basically just want to use an old brake pad, put it in there just like that. And I'll show you the C-clamp. Alright, let me see if I can show you better now, like that. That way it'll hold against the rotor while you put your C-clamp in. Alright, so that's basically it right there. C-clamp setup. Now you just turn it and compress your piston. Alright, so piston's been compressed, as you can see. Take note of your wear strips and your brake pads. See, both of mine are on the same side. And also, there's small holes in the top of the brake pads to reinstall your clips. Didn't come with any new clips, so we're gonna reuse the old ones. And basically, your pad. Try to show you with one hand. Just push it in, and that's it. Same thing for the inside. Alright, so once you got your pads in, take your clip, find the holes, in the pad. Stick them in, just like that. Same thing for the bottom one. Find the holes. Stick them in. Make sure they go all the way in the pad. As you can see, you just want to push this in a little. Let go of your caliper. Take your 14 millimeter, reinstall, line it up, thread it by hand, then tighten with your ratchet. Alright, once you tighten that 14 with your ratchet, repeat the process on the other side. Put back on your wheel and tire, cover back your reservoir, and make sure you pump your brake pedal before you drive off. That's the Hyundai Sonata Limited rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.